Welcome to NorthStar. Denton Inc. manufactures industrial machinery and requires 100,000 switches per year in its assembly process. When switches are received from the vendor, they are installed in specific machines and tested. If the switches fail, they are scrapped and associated labor cost of $25 is considered lost productivity. Denton purchases off-the-shelf switches as opposed to custom-made switches and experiences quality problems with some vendor products. A decision must be made as to which vendor to buy from during the next year based on the following information. Vendor PQRS price per switch is given and percentage expected to pass the test is also given. So if 90% is expected to pass the test, means 10% is going to fail. Similarly, if 94% is expected to pass, means 6% is going to fail. Remember, we need 100,000 switches. This 100,000 switches should be after subtracting the expected loss due to poor quality switches. How to calculate that? For example, here it says we need 100,000 switches and how much is going to be scrapped? 10%. Means 90% is only going to be passed through the test. Means how much do we need to buy? Do we need to buy 100,000? Answer is, if we buy 100,000, after test 10% will get scrapped and we will be left only with 90,000. Whereas our requirement is 100,000 which should successfully pass the test. So we have to do reverse calculation. How to do reverse calculation? I will show you here. So P, Q, R and S. So first, number of switches that we need to buy. So number of switches we need to buy is more than 100,000 because 10% in the first one will become loss. How to calculate that? So it will be 100,000 what we need divided by, after subtracting the loss, we will be left with only 90%. Similarly, the next one, it will be 100,000 divided by how much? Yes, got 94%. The last one will be 100,000 divided by 97%, and for S it is 100,000 divided by 99%. Alright, so how much does it come? 100,000 divided by 90%. We need to buy 111,111 switches. 0.11, we are just rounding it off. Similarly, the next one, 100,000 divided by 94%, we need to buy 106,383 switches. The third one, for R, 100,000 divided by 97%, we need to here buy 103,093 switches. And the last one, 100,000 divided by 99%, we get 101,010. These are the number of switches that we need to buy at the first place. And all these switches cost different from different vendors. So we will multiply with the price per switch charged by each of these vendors. How much will it be? So price per switch. How much is the price per switch? So first one is $35 and second one is $37, $39 and $40. So first one, 111,101, 111 multiplied by $35. So we get approximately 388,885. The next one, 106,383 multiplied by $37, we get 393,6171. The third one, 103,093 multiplied by $39, it is 402,0627. And the last one, 101,010 multiplied by 40, we get 404,000. This is our cost. Is it done? Answer is no, it is not yet done. We need to also include the cost. Which cost? The cost that it was talking about here, cost due to loss productivity of $25. All right. So out of 111,111, 100,000 is only going to be good units. So remaining how much bad units or unusable will come is the difference between the two. So it will be 11,111 units. This will become defective, and multiplied by how much is the labor cost? $25. Here how much will it be? So 6383. How am I calculating? This minus this, because we need only good units, which is 100,000. Remaining will go as waste. How? You can directly do this multiplied by 6%. 94% is going to be good. Into 6%, you will get approximately this number. Here it will be 3093, and last one it will be 1010, and all these will be multiplied with $25. That is the loss due to defective units. So let's multiply. 25 is a constant number, so let's keep it constant. 25 into 11,111, so you get 277,775. So this number has to be added with this number. Next one is 6383. You get 159,575. 3093. 3093 means this into this I am doing. 77,325. And last one 1010. You get $25,250. All right. So now what is the total cost? Total cost will be this plus this. It will be this plus this. So we will calculate the total cost from each vendor. So the first one will be 3888885 plus 277,775. We get total cost is 416,6660. Next one 3936171. 3936171 plus 159575. So we get total here is 4095746. This is the total. Let's calculate for the third vendor. It is 4020627 plus 77325. We get 4097952. And last one is 4040400 plus 25250. We get 406550. So we have got all. Now we have to look at it, which is the lowest cost. So the lowest cost is coming from the last vendor, vendor S. So question is, which vendor should Denton's controller recommend to the management? So vendor S should be recommended to the management because it has the highest percentage of unit that would pass, and the total cost is coming down to be the least minimum here compared to all the other vendors. Important question from exam, mark it very important. Thank you.